Hello everyone, I am Sunit Mishra, Assistant Professor from Computer Science and Engineering Department, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Today I will discuss the introduction of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the career perspectives in AI and machine learning, and also the future of AI and machine learning. So what is AI? AI is a field to make the machine intelligent artificially. That is, if we want to create the intelligence or the machine is making intelligent which behaves like humans and copy or mimic their actions, then it is called artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence describes by artificial and the intelligence. Artificial means the something created by humans, and the intelligence is described on some parameters like knowledge base, set of rules for decision making and reasoning and learning. So if the machine exhibits, if any machine exhibits above characteristics of intelligence, then it seems to be intelligent, or since it is created by humans, it is called artificial intelligence. Now AI is generally defined as weak AI and strong AI. In weak AI, the machines are totally dependent on the human interference. That is, the machines cannot think itself, like the virtual assistants iPhone, Siri, Amazon Alexa are the examples of weak AI. These are totally dependent on human being. In strong AI, the machine can think and perform the actions accordingly, just like humans. So, strong AI is a part of research. In strong AI, the machine can have a mind of their own. We can see the examples of strong AI like in movie Terminator. The examples of weak AI, the virtual assistants, Alexa, Amazon Alexa, Siri, Google Now, and Cortana. The futuristic example of a strong AI, where a robot can think itself and can learn itself. Artificial intelligence is a vast field. The machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is also the part of machine learning as well as artificial intelligence. The machine learning is a method of data analysis. The machine learning algorithm uses data to analyze and to create a model which can be trained on some input data and can be used to predict some data like the diabetes prediction, heart disease prediction, and many disease prediction, and the forecasting of stock market are the examples of this machine learning algorithms. So now what is deep learning? Deep learning is also a type of machine learning. In deep learning algorithms, the artificial neural networks, like the human brain, in deep learning artificial neural networks are created, and in deep learning algorithms works on structured as well as unstructured data. Unstructured data is like audio data, video data, image data. These are called unstructured data. So deep learning algorithms also works on unstructured data. The machine learning algorithms can be defined as when we will give input, then the features are extracted like the color of car, weight of car, height of car, and then classification is performed and predict that object is a car or not a car. In deep learning algorithm, we can give the input and the features are extracted as well as classification are performed by the deep learning algorithms and predict that the object is a car or not a car. These are job profiles in AI like robotics scientist, big data engineer, business intelligence developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, product manager, and AI research scientists. Now, according to Forbes magazine, machine learning engineer is the best job in the US according to Indeed. So we can guess, we can imagine the popularity of machine learning and the AI as a career perspective. Here we can see that in US, according to Indeed's best job in the US, machine learning engineer and data scientist is one of the most popular jobs in US. Now, if we talk about the India, there are various profiles like web developer, software engineer, DevOps engineer, machine learning engineer, and data scientist. We can see that machine learning engineer and data scientists have the greatest or the highest package in among them. Here we can see that the future of artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning is involved in almost all the fields like digital marketing, robotic assistant, cyber security, defense, healthcare, science, transportation, etc. So we can imagine the applications of AI and the future of AI. So choose the career in computer science and select and be the artificial intelligence engineer, data scientist, or the machine learning expert, and be the part of this amazing world. Thank you.